Today, the new or the next gun in the collection or the showcase is one that many probably haven't heard of, but this is the Power K100D made in Slovakia. Let's see if you can see it right there. Power. Let's see. All right, there we go. Global Ordnance, Sarasota, Florida. Power K100. And it's actually the K100D because it has a decocker. That's a safety. This is, like I said, this is more of, like I said, many people haven't actually heard of this one. But I was watching a YouTube video, and the guy, I can't remember his name right now. He had very good things to say about Power. And again, I had never heard of it either. So, again, no mag or anything. So I wanted to, I kept watching the videos, and he pretty much convinced me to go ahead and pick it up. I mean, everything from the decocker, everything from it coming with 3 magazines. It's a 15 round 9mm. It came with the, you can adjust the back right here, which it kind of reminded me of the Glock, but it's a little cheaper. Even in the video, it used to have the stainless steel barrel right there, and it really caught my eye. I mean, it may not be as, no, it actually is. It's a good quality. I mean, it's not your, your Glock fanboys or, FN fanboys or whatever. But what I wanted to do by showcasing this is showing you, like, I mean, there's many types of manufacturers out there, and like I said before, I'm one of those ones. I want to try out the different manufacturers and get the feel for them, and basically a general appreciation for gun manufacturing and Second Amendment and stuff like that. But this is one of those ones that made me say, let me grab this. I know everybody else got their favorites with the other ones, but this was one of those ones for me. It's like, you know what? I like that. And I'm definitely picking that up. So, yeah. And I was really impressed and very happy it came in this one of the best cases, I would want them to put Power somewhere on it. I mean, they probably did, but I think this was one of the first ones that came out. So they probably have now one of the ones would come with Power on it. But for the time being, during the ammo shortage, and then also during COVID, all that stuff happening last year, it was hard to get these ones. So basically, I think what happened was either it was because of last year, 2020, or just because of what was going on in the government and stuff, they stopped importing them for a while. I might be incorrect, but I know it was hard it took a while for them to come in. And a lot of y'all know Power also from the Strybog, one of the ones that I got on my list also. Like I said, this is 15 rounds. Like I said, this is one of the, I think, pre-production ones, or not pre-production, but one of the ones that they used as a model in the store. So I was able to get it for a little bit cheaper. I might try to get another one or something just to see if there's any difference in them. But I mean, they really didn't have to do anything too much, like some people put how many rounds and stuff in there. But this one, of course, not full. But I mean, they really didn't need to. I mean, it's that good of a gun, Like I said, 315 rounds. Good, great case. Came with the back, you know, for your hand, you know, right there. See what I'm saying? Got the what they call the duck bill. I mean, it's a great gun. Even ambidextrous mag release, ambidextrous slides, ambidextrous safety. I mean, everything about it, man. Like I said, decocking, the fixed sights, um, with the I forgot what you call that is with the I want to say the I, they glow in the dark too. Like I said, everything got the front serrations, got the back serrations. Everything about this was official, man. So I mean, yeah, I got the just include this in here. The 5.56 by 45 D60 by Magpul. This is the drum you want. But like I said, man, this is it's a cool gun, man. Everything you need it to be. And I know it's not American made, but made in Slovakia. You see it right there. If you can get one, man. You will not be disappointed. Thank y'all. On to the next one.